Hi, I'm Damani Short, founder of Lexico. As many of you know, I'm a recovering CIO, wink wink. Actually, I'm having a lot of fun right now working with executives in a variety of markets to help better align their technology plans with their key business priorities or KPIs. With that in mind, this is the beginning of a video series. Our goal is just to share insights and findings as we work with clients in a variety of markets. Last, we'd love your feedback, so feel free to comment or reach out to us directly. And with that, we'll just jump right into today's topic. So this is probably the most prominent challenge we're seeing as we talk with presidents and heads of manufacturing, CIOs and CFOs. And it's not AI, it's not the move to the cloud, it's not digital transformation or digital business. It's actually kind of a level up, which is this notion of a technology roadmap. So whether it's commercial technology as part of your product or service, or technology out on the shop floor driving production and manufacturing distribution, or if it's back office technology, the ability to have a roadmap that's not only your technology initiatives, but the people and process changes required to support that change initiative is often a missing link. The other piece is with a continuously evolving business. How do you evolve this roadmap as priorities change? So new competitors, new customers walking away, new board members, board pressure on any number of issues. How do you evolve and develop the capability with your C-suite to evolve that roadmap and make sure it stays aligned with your top priorities? So with that, I would leave you with a challenge. And that is to ask your peers or C-suite members, other leaders in the business, one question, and that is, what's your confidence level with our current technology roadmap and its ability to drive key business priorities and KPIs in a measurable way on a quarter-by-quarter basis? So that's it for today. We'll talk to you soon.